Good morning, guys. So I just woke up. Today is Monday, and as you can see, I'm in front of the back door, and the weather is so nice. It is really sunny today. So this is my morning routine. So that's the back door, and this is. I normally don't vlog in the kitchen sometimes because I kind of like use the wrong lens. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna make a coffee and cook rice because I love eating rice before I'm gonna go to work, and also I like taking rice to work because uh, if I eat rice at work, it make me not hungry easily. That makes sense, because you know guys, we love to eat rice like 3 times a day: in the morning, the lunch, and dinner. Here I eat rice just sometimes once, sometimes twice. So so the coffee is almost done. I'm gonna wait for that till it's done, and I'm gonna drink coffee first before I'm gonna go to shower. And I'm just gonna show you one thing, guys. This is super cute. So I got it from the store, Walmart, and I decided to put it downstairs bathroom. This is the wax warmer. It is really cute, and use this cubes candle. I love this smell. It smells really good. Fresh or orchard apple. It smells really good. And this is a super tiny wax warmer, and when you open it, this is what's look like the candle and inside when it's melting already. And it smells really good. Really nice, cute wax warmer for just as downstairs. And this is the wax warmer. Looks like it smells really good. And those art frame or decorative wall decorative art frame, I just got it from Dollar Tree. This is really nice. 3 art decorating. It's a cloth, guys. Really nice. Something to put on the downstairs bathroom. So that's, we have a mirror over here, like a half body mirror. Here downstairs, this is only the extra bathroom downstairs that you know, visitors can use the bathroom. And yeah, just a small bathroom there. That's it. And this side, this is the window from outside. And yeah, the coffee is almost done. I'm gonna wait for that. I'm gonna drink coffee first before I'm gonna go shower. So yeah, this is my morning routine every day. Normally when I'm working, I have to wake up at least 9 o'clock in the morning to get ready, calm down, make some coffee, cook my rice for my lunch at work. Sorry for the noise. That is the coffee maker. It's loud and noisy. And it's just a beautiful day, sunny day. And there's a squirrel outside playing in the front yard. It's a baby squirrel. And they climbing on the trees now. Playing on the trees. Oh, actually they have 2. Super cute. They're playing. Maybe they're sisters. They're playing at the trees. But yeah, that's my normal routine before I'm gonna jump to the shower. I drink coffee first, and after I drink coffee, I'm gonna go shower, calm down again, and eat for lunch. And after I eat lunch, get ready for work, brush my teeth, get ready for work, do my makeup, and get dressed, and go to work. So yeah, it's really nice today. I feel the wind coming inside the window. It's super nice today. Probably I don't need a jacket today going to work. Maybe just the light jacket is good enough. Really nice, but it scared me. The fridge just start making noise. It's really close behind this wall. It scared me. But yeah, it's super nice weather today. Let's see if I can go outside and I'll show you the weather outside. So normally I always vlog like you know, sit down videos. I didn't vlog all the time, you know, walking around inside the house, like doing things. I'm just lazy sometimes. I'm shy. And you know, get distracted, so maybe I can do that sometimes, filming in my kitchen or in my living room doing nothing. So that it's, you know, it's sometimes try to something different, So let's go outside. We're gonna sneak peek the weather outside. It's really nice today. I love that weather. It's and sunny and cold, but not too hot, not too cold. Kind of like just the normal weather. Not normal. How do you say it? It's hard to explain. Sunny, not too cold, not too hot. There you go. Something like that. What's that popping noise? So let's go outside and look. Is that a rice cooker? Never heard that before making noise. Hopefully it's not broken though. Yeah, the noises come from the rice cooker. Hopefully it's not gonna broke or something, because I do not have a rice cooker. But it's easy to buy a new rice cooker, but that rice cooker is new. We just got it online, so hopefully it's not gonna broke. So my coffee is done, and yeah, I thought kind of a little like quiet because there's two people still sleeping upstairs, so I'm trying to avoid making loud. I don't want to make people like wake up or like talking loud. So let's go outside real quick, guys. So yun yung weather, guys. Ang ganda ng panahon. Yung trees, wala pang mga kahoy. Super nice weather lang. Sunny.
Oh, she's after that squirrel.
So that's it for my morning routine. Like every day, but my face is getting better. I'm so happy that my face is getting better. Even I still have a little bit, even I still have like breakout over here, but that is healing already. It's changed a lot before that. I haven't used the product that I've been using, I'm trying right now. It's really nice product, make my face so much better. This one's so much better now, and then this one is clearing, and I don't have a breakout anymore on my forehead, and this side, and this side, and this side. This is the first thing I noticed. This, my chin, it healed like quick since I start using those products that I'm using. And yeah, this is the only my problem right now, these both jaw, but it's healing. It's changed a lot, so I'm so happy that I tried those product, and yeah, I can see the difference on my face right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink my coffee, and after drink my coffee, I'm gonna go shower and get ready for work, because I do have work today. 2 more days. I work today and tomorrow, and I'm off for 2 days. Okay, done getting ready, guys. So I'm about to leave in 5 minutes. I'm ready to go to work, and it's really nice weather today. It's super, I bet it is like hot outside. So yeah, it's time to go to work, and thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Be safe, everyone. Bye again. Bye.